This lecture will show you how to add information on the table, which will be used as an example for writing a program. Now we have database and table, but we don't have employee information, nor department information. We have to add these information. Go to Employee Database. Click plus to expand. Go to Table. I will start with Departments. Right-click and select Edit Top 200 Rows. Design is for Update the table. Select is for showing information. Edit is for adding and changing information. Expand the column for better view. ID is automatic filled, we don't need to put in any information. We only need to put in the column of department name and notes. Move your cursor to department name. Type in the name of department. First department is IT, type in IT department. Put in remark in notes, for example, IT department. Now I will copy IT department, and paste another column. Press enter after type in to update the information. Now we have 5 departments, R&D, accounting, marketing, HR, and IT. Also put in notes. Now we have department table. Initial data should not be much. For this example, I will create only initial data. Then go to Employees table, and click Edit. Same as before, do not put any data into Auto ID. Put information in first name, last name, email, job title, and phone. Put your name for example, type the information in. If you see any error notification, just close it down. Press Escape to close it. This notification is showing, cannot insert value into. Go back to the table and look at primary key. Design. Primary key. I see, this has to be, yes. There might be some mistakes during the table creating, now I'm showing you why it is error. Yes. Refresh the table. Edit the data again. I'll try hit enter now. We need to put in the last name as well. Enter. OK now. The error occurred because there are 2 data we need to put in. Tanin and Sangam. Other parts can be left as null, the program will not show error. Now we will put in department ID. Let me adjust the table. I will put an unlisted ID into the department ID. For example, 6, and press enter. Now you're seeing the error notification, because the program does not have this department ID listed. Let's go back to Departments table. Click Select. There are ID listed, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, we can only set value between 1 to 5. Now I put in 5 and press enter. It works. 6 doesn't work, it doesn't list it in the department value. Like this. This is the benefit of relationship. It helps verify the correct data input. When I put in 6, it doesn't refer to any of the value in the department ID. This is why I show you how to create a relationship between tables. You can make up some information here. Copy at the top table tab, and paste. Then you can edit any data. You don't have to type in new information all the time. Just copy, paste, and edit information. OK. Now, right-click to close all documents. Refresh the table. Go to Employees table. Right-click to select. Now you have initial data to write C# or Visual Basic. This is not specify for one language only. OK. I finish my lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Hello. In this lecture, I will teach you how to create view for SQL Server. View is query. Instead of creating orders, we can use view. For example, we are creating join data, you will need to write join order. Inner join, right join, left join. If we create view, we can choose order from view. No need to write long order. Go to Databases. Go to Employee Database. Go to Tables. Now we have two tables, Departments and Employees. Right-click on Employees, and select. Now, look at Department ID value. You will see only numbers. If you want to convert these numbers into text, you will need to join data with Department table. Just like I taught you in the previous lecture. We can use inner join here, but the order will be long. We have a way to manage long order. Sometimes, we don't want to write the same query again and again. We can create view to use. Right-click and select New View. Choose the table you want to create view. Double-clicks on Employees and Departments. You will see the data is joining. Inner join appear in the below window. We learned about this order in the previous lecture. Now, I will teach you an easy way. Just like Wizard. For example, I want to use all column in the Employees table. Select all columns and drag down. Program will create order. Select all from Employees. Next, we will pull department name from Departments table. Look at Select in below window. It will show that department name has been added. And inner join. How do we see result after join? Right-click on empty space. Select Execute. Now you will see the department names after department ID. Value 5 is R&D. 4 is accounting. 3 is marketing, etc. This is an easy way. When you write a program, you can utilize view. Right now at the top of Table tab, and click Save. Entitle, View, Employees, Department. Close the tab. Refresh view. Then right-click and select. You can see the orders are shorter than creating inner join. When you write a program, just select the name of view. You can also select all, then from view. The order is very short. Or just like this. Execute. This show how easy it is using view. When you write a program, you can write it like this. But you will have employees' data and department name. Close it now. If you want to make changes, refresh view and right-click to design. Then you can choose any data you want. You can also expand the window. For example, I don't want ID. Right-click on ID and delete. Right-click to execute. Now the data is more beautiful, it no longer shows department ID. It shows only department name now. If we want notes to be added, just click on Notes. Then right-click to execute. Now you see that Notes is added. If you don't want notes anymore, just right-click to delete. Check your data and try execute one more time. Then right-click to save. Close the window. Click on New Query. Type and select all from. Then copy the name and paste. Execute. I have to copy and paste the order, it's not automatically generated. Let's try shorten the name. Right-click to rename. And title, view_empty pt. Copy the order, just in case. Open new query. Select all from, and paste. View_empty pt. Execute. When you are writing in C# or Visual Basic, and you want employees' data and department name, you can use this order. Select all from view_empty pt. This is very easy. The benefit of using View. Don't forget to save. Save the order. This lecture is finished. See you in the next lecture, thank you very much.